Hi students, welcome to my engineering graphics class. I am Dr. Vinod Kumar. We are going to draw a very interesting question here. The question says a pentagonal pyramid is resting on HP on its base with a side of base parallel to VP and 18 mm away from VP. The apex is tilted, or the pyramid is tilted about this edge holding the apex so that the apex touches VP. Draw the projections. That's the question. Okay, let us explain that question with the help of a square pyramid, since I don't have the model of a pentagonal pyramid. A square pyramid is resting on HP on its base with a side of base parallel to VP. Now, tilt the pyramid about that edge holding the apex so that the apex touches VP. Look at this. The apex is touching VP, my chest. The base is exposed. You are asked to draw the plan and elevation of the pyramid. Agreed? Instead of it, it is a pentagonal pyramid. You can have a pentagonal pyramid. You can even have a prism with a similar argument. How is it? Example, a hexagonal prism standing on its base on the ground with a side of base parallel to VP. The prism is tilted about that edge which is parallel to VP so that the opposite edge touches VP. Agreed? So, this argument is common for all solids, or this argument is possible in the case of all solids, and it is very important. Now, this can be drawn by three methods, three methods. One is conventional redrawing method, other is conventional auxiliary projection method, third is by the help of an end view. Okay, now listen. I keep the pentagonal pyramid on the ground on its base with a side of base perpendicular to VP. The question says one side of base is parallel to VP and 18 mm away from VP. Instead, I keep it perpendicular to VP. At the end, I will explain why it is so, and you will already understand. I keep one side perpendicular to VP, draw the plan and elevation. This 18 mm is ignored, completely ignored. Take 25 mm side and 60 mm height, draw the pyramid. This is 25. This is 60. Now, take any point on XY line, 18 mm away, take another point and draw a vertical line. Take this distance in your compass and this as center, cut an arc. What is that distance? This distance. Now, reproduce that elevation. Take this distance, mark in this direction, draw an arc, take this distance, what did you do? You have reproduced this elevation. This is A1 dash, this is B1 dash, this is C1 dash, D1 dash, this is E1 dash, this is O1 dash, this is P1 dash, and this is what? This is 18 mm. This is C1 dash, D1 dash. Reproduce a new plan. Reproduce a new plan. You are simply drawing by redrawing method, isn't it? Simply drawing the solid using redrawing method. When you use actual dimensions, I do not know whether my firm lines and your firm lines will be same. There can be some dotted lines, I don't know. O1, P1, A1, B1, C1, D1, E1. Okay. In my drawing, all the slant edges are visible. I do not know when you actually draw whether all slant edges will be visible or not. I don't know. Now what? Now redraw this plan in such a way that P1 touches XY line. Agreed? Redraw this plan so that P1 touches XY line. Redrawing this plan will be very difficult. Therefore, I am going to mix up. Okay, I will redraw it. I am going to redraw it. You are redrawn the plan A2, B2, C2, D2, E2, O2, P2. Draw vertical projectors up. Draw horizontal projectors. Locate the points and connect. C2 dash, D2 dash, E2 dash, A2 dash, B2 dash, P2 dash, O2 dash. The full base will be visible, so this is firm. Firm, 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 firm. I mean dotted, axis change. Agreed? Agreed? Simple position plan and elevation, that 18 mm is brought in here, then the apex is redrawn with, or when the plan is redrawn, this plan is redrawn in such a way that P2 touches XY. If you mix redrawing and auxiliary, you can draw an X2 by 2 here and project the elevation over here, you will get this. This will be operational. Make an X2 by 2 at P1. If you mix up redrawing and auxiliary together, draw X2 by 2 here and project what? Project the elevation over here, you will get this final elevation here. This will be X2 by 2. X2, wait. If you provide X2 by 2 here, you will get the final elevation. So this is auxiliary and redrawing mixed. Redrawing and auxiliary mixed. This is pure redrawing. This is auxiliary and redrawing mixed. Agreed? Now I will explain how pure auxiliary can be drawn. Agreed? If you are happy with this presentation, if you understand what I am saying, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, share it and like it. Share it among your friends. Okay? Thank you.